My name is Alicia Wallace. I'm the marketing manager for MiCareerQuest Northeast Consortium. I'm pretty much the event coordinator for MiCareerQuest Northeast. So I bring together all the schools and all the exhibitors to put on this type of event. MiCareerQuest is a hands-on, interactive career exploration event. So it's like a job fair on steroids. Kids don't come here to learn about a job, they come here to learn about careers in all sorts of industries. We have over 125 different careers highlighted today in 4 main industries: healthcare, construction, manufacturing, and technology. So this kind of event is great for kids in northern Michigan. They don't have the exposure to big companies. Here they get exposed to all sorts of careers that they wouldn't ever have a chance to see. Today we had over 1,400 students attend this event, which is really amazing when you consider that's 1,400 students from the 8 counties of Northeast Michigan. All of the businesses that participate really love being exhibitors because not only does it get the word out about their business and openings with their company, but it really helps fill the talent pipeline in the next few years. I hope the students leave the event really energized and excited, and maybe they've tried a few new things that they never thought that they'd tried before, and maybe find some interest in careers they never thought they'd enjoy. We really market this event from 6th grade all the way through 12th grade because kids are always developing and they're not sure what they want to get into. So hopefully they get a little bit of experience here and it leads them to try a new CTE program or register for a class they might not have thought they'd enjoy.